In Sri Lanka, most split and commercial AC systems run under constant stress because of high outdoor temperatures, heavy humidity, and long daily operating hours. As a result, problems like high electricity bills, poor cooling performance, compressor damage, and frequent service visits are to be expected. One major hidden problem is reduced heat transfer at the indoor coil. Moisture buildup, dirt, and added thermal resistance make it harder for heat to move efficiently. Now, when heat exchange drops, the compressor has to work longer and harder, leading to higher amperage draw, greater power use, and increased mechanical wear. Now, what MS-RDK does is it enhances heat transfer efficiency directly at the evaporator coil surface, helping the system absorb heat faster and cool more effectively. With better heat exchange, compressor running time is shortened. System load stays more stable, then the power consumption is much lowered, and the cooling recovery also happens much quicker. Now, this allows air conditioning systems to operate closer to their intended design performance, especially in high demand locations such as hotels, offices, apartments, and even retail spaces. By easing compressor workload and reducing excessive cycling, MS-RDK helps to extend compressor service life, also decreases the frequency of breakdowns, maintain more consistent cooling, and reduce customer complaints about electricity costs. Now, in Sri Lanka, where electricity prices are high and AC systems operate daily, MS-RDK offers a practical efficiency improvement without changing refrigerant, wiring, control boards, or airflow setup. It's simple to install, works with existing units, and provides measurable performance gains where they matter the most, at the point of heat exchange. MS-RDK, high efficiency at the coil, less strain on the compressor, better results for everyday installation.